Dip the lazy cake in the chocolate and you will have the most delicious and easiest dessert to offer for your family this summer. I love to make lazy cake and I love to get creative with it. It's one of the easiest desserts you can make in a short time. You don't need an oven to make this dessert, it's very easy and everyone will love it. Bring 2 packs of your favorite tea biscuit. Put the biscuit in a bowl and crush it in smaller pieces like this. Now let's put it aside and let's make the chocolate sauce. In a small saucepan, put 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar and mix it together. Now put it on low heat and when it's warm, add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of powdered milk and mix all the ingredients together. Put it on low to medium heat in this stage. When it starts to boil, add half a cup of butter. Continue to mix until all the butter is melted. Turn off the heat and let it cool a little bit. When it's warm, add the chocolate sauce to the biscuits and mix them together. Start by mixing with a spoon and then mix with your hands. Divide the quantity into 2 parts and place the first part on a parchment paper. Roll the parchment paper and press it on the lazy cake in order to have a better looking pieces. I always use 1 layer of parchment paper and 1 layer of aluminum foil over the lazy cake. The parchment paper prevents it from sticking and the aluminum foil will protect it in the freezer. And also the aluminum foil will help you to shape it into a roll easily. Now we have 2 rolls of lazy cake. Put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or until it's completely cold. When it's ready, remove the aluminum foil and then remove the parchment paper. The parchment paper have to be removed carefully. It doesn't stick and it will be like this. But it will stick if your lazy cake isn't completely cold. Start by cutting it from the center and continue to cut the rest. Is it only me or anyone else here is in love with the contrast of the biscuits and the chocolate sauce in lazy cake? You can see how the pieces are firm, they're chocolatey, they look perfect. When the lazy cake is cold and firm, it's easy to cut, it will not stick to your hand and it will not melt. Now it's ready to be dipped in the chocolate. Melt 200 grams of chocolate. Put it into a small bowl in order to cover half of the lazy cake. When you finish dipping each piece, put it standing on any dish or any parchment paper and wait until the chocolate is hard. And if the weather is hot, you can put it in the fridge to make the process faster. Serve it cold to your family, to your children, and to your guests. And of course, they will like it and they will ask for the recipe. صحتين وهنا.